Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the fascinating success story of Tech Burner, the tech powerhouse on YouTube. This is a journey that takes us through the evolution of a simple tech enthusiast to a revered influencer. A journey filled with creativity, wit, and relentless dedication. What makes Tech Burner tick? How did he manage to captivate millions with his unique take on tech content? Curious about what sets him apart and how he reached the pinnacle of success? Stick around, we've got the details. Sahil Khanna, popularly known as Tech Burner, has revolutionized the tech YouTube scene. This savvy creator started as a humble tech enthusiast with a passion for unraveling the complexities of the digital world. His journey has been nothing short of inspiring. From his first video to becoming a household name amongst tech lovers, his innovative style and easy-to-understand content have made tech approachable for everyone. With millions of subscribers, he's reshaping how we consume tech content online. Tech Burner stands out thanks to his innovative approach. His secret, a cocktail of creativity and originality, stirred with a dash of tech savvy rather than following the beaten path, he carves his own, venturing into the unexplored. This isn't your everyday tech channel. It's a platform where technology is dissected with wit, explained with simplicity, and celebrated with enthusiasm. From quirky sketches to unique video concepts, he brings a breath of fresh air to tech content, breaking away from the norm. But it's not just about tech, it's about laughter too. Tech Burner's secret ingredient? A generous sprinkling of humor. His knack for making us chuckle while we learn is truly unique. His witty tech puns, hilarious gadget misadventures, and laugh-out-loud commentaries make even the most complex tech concepts digestible and fun. But the real magic lies in his vibrant personality. His charisma, relatability, and infectious enthusiasm are what truly draw us in. His vibrant personality establishes a connection that goes beyond the screen. Consistency is key, and Tech Burner understands that well. In the realm of online content, consistency can make or break your channel. Tech Burner has mastered this, maintaining a regular upload schedule that keeps his audience coming back for more. This isn't just about quantity, though. The quality of his content never wavers, each video brimming with the same level of creativity and insight as the last. With a reliable upload schedule, he keeps the audience engaged and eager for more, a crucial factor in his rapid ascent. Engaging with the audience is a top priority for Tech Burner. He creates a dialogue, not a monologue, by responding to comments, seeking feedback, and regularly interacting. This isn't just about sharing content, it's about building a community. Each viewer comment, each piece of feedback is a brick in the wall of this thriving tech community. And it's this sense of belonging, this feeling of being a part of something bigger, that keeps viewers coming back for more. This two-way interaction fosters a loyal fan base, turning viewers into active participants in his tech journey. Tech Burner embraces his Indian roots uniquely. With a keen understanding of his audience, he tailors his content to meet their specific needs. Whether it's exploring the latest Indian tech startups or discussing the impact of national digital policies, he leaves no stone unturned. He captures the essence of the local tech scene, bringing it to the forefront in an engaging and relatable manner. By adding his flair to Indian tech scenarios, he not only caters to a local audience, but also adds a personal touch that resonates culturally. It's not just surface-level content. Tech Burner delves deep into tech analyses. He meticulously dissects the latest gadgets, revealing not just their features, but the underlying technology that powers them. He dives into the nitty-gritty, exploring everything from processing power to user interface. His explanations, while detailed, are easy to grasp, making tech less intimidating and more accessible to the average viewer. His in-depth reviews and tech discussions provide viewers with a comprehensive understanding, making his channel a go-to destination for detailed insights. Collaborations are the name of the game, and Tech Burner plays it well. With a knack for synergy and innovation, he frequently partners with fellow creators, weaving a tapestry of diverse perspectives. But it doesn't stop there. Tech Burner also collaborates with brands, bringing fresh, unique content to the table. It's a win-win scenario, expanding his reach while providing his audience with a rich, varied viewing experience. Whether teaming up with fellow creators or collaborating with brands, he expands his reach and brings diverse content to his audience. And there you have it, the secret sauce of Tech Burner's success. From his innovative approach, engaging humor and consistent reliability, to his deep engagement with the audience, unique indigenous content, insightful tech analyses, and creative collaborations, TechBurner has truly revolutionized the tech YouTube scene. His journey is a testament to the power of passion, creativity, and connection. If you're passionate about tech and content creation, there's much to learn from TechBurner's journey.